friends, you are watching Adorable AB. I am Abhas. So friends, after a long time I have given voiceover in my video. So friends, today we are going to make an origami rabbit. So let's start. First we need a origami paper. I am using orange. You can use any color of your choice. So let's start. First we have to fold this crease to this crease. Unfold it and again turn the paper like this and again fold to the crease. Do these steps very carefully so that your rabbit is made perfect. Then again unfold it and fold it like this. Your center should match the paper, otherwise your folds will be not well. Again turn the paper and fold it down. And after that, the crease that you have made earlier, this and this crease, we have to fold it like this. Match the center. This side done, and then repeat on the other side. Now once you are done, you can see these triangle lines. You have to hold it in your hand, fold it like this and get it up. And this fold is done. I am again showing you. You have to hold this triangle like this, then pull it up and match the centers. On the other side also do the same. Once again press all the folds. After that you have to turn the paper like this, and then from this crease you have to fold. And now turn it to the other side and fold it and match the corners like this. And then fold it down from this crease. And then turn it and do it like this and fold it down from matching the center crease. See it like this. We have to touch this corner to the end of this fold, and after that we will fold it from the center line. And you can see the shape of our rabbit is coming. And you can see that this center line, you have to fold both the side like this and this. After that, you have to open this down side, put it inside like this, and again close it. And then now you have to pull it out and press it. You can see our rabbit is done, but its ears are remaining. So we have to do it like this and press the fold and again lift it up. You can see our rabbit is done, and now we will make its eyes. We will make the eyes here. See, our rabbit eyes are done, and on the other side we will do the same. And friend, the rabbit's traditional model is ready. You can see how it is looking. And friends, see that many of you watch the video but do not subscribe our channel. We are very close to 1000 subscribers. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon and share and like as much as you can. So friends, for today this only. I will meet you in the next video. Thank you.